since we've been with this, and here we have the bug crusher. It's almost like a new bug crusher because it has a new engine, the SH18 new engine. So first thing I'm going to do is oops, there goes the trolley. Yesterday we did the first tank. We did the first tank of the braking procedure, and today we're going to do tanks 2, 3, 4 and 5. First thing I'm going to say is that it's only running rear wheel drive, so don't expect any tyre ripping action today because the parts need to arrive. So first thing I'm doing is just filling the tank. I'm using 25% nitro today. Right, so next thing I'm going to do is I actually need to install a receiver battery. I'm going to use the hump pack. 7.2 volts, a 6 volt pump pack. With these you will get more power from your servos and electronics. Right. Prime the engine. The engine is new, so it still has a lot of compression at the moment. So priming it. Checking the gap, which is okay, and then starting it. Tank 2, very slow driving in figure of 8 circles. Stand up. Very slow driving in figure of 8 circles. This is tank 2 for the braking in procedure. And the engine is actually running very, very rich. Well, we've done tank 1 and 2 now. 1 we did yesterday, 2 we've just done. I've just let the engine cool down, it's now refueled, now we're going to go on to tank 3. Tank 3 is, again, driving in the figure of 8 circles, but a little bit faster. Tank 3, a little bit faster. So tank 4, we just finished tank 3. The last 3 tanks have gone very well. Tank 4 is basically a straight run with more speed. So for the straight run, we can go from up there just to about there. Just like the last one, I said straight run, more speed. Straight run, just reaching the full throttle. Let us start it and we will see. Okay, walk down there and then we'll go. Just reaching the full throttle.